You know what? I honestly do not remember the last time I filmed a favorites video. It's been a few years. And the reason why I haven't filmed a favorites video is because just like with beauty hauls, I don't want to encourage people to overspend on things that they don't need. But I figure I could bring them back in a different way. Last time I filmed a favorites video, I did just 5 of my favorite products and then a music favorite. Now I just want to talk about 5 things that I love that month. It doesn't have to be beauty or skincare related. It can just be like the 5 things I liked for this month. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. If you're brand new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, leave a comment down below. So I'm just gonna make this very casual, very quick. I don't want to ramble too much. So one of the first things and the only beauty item that I'm going to be mentioning is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. I just finished the Glossier Super Pure and I wanted to try out this guy. This is so nice. It's very lightweight, just like the Glossier one. It's not sticky, it's niacinamide, so it helps even out pores. It also just helps give me just nicer looking skin. So I really like this, and this is so much cheaper than the Glossier one, so I highly recommend it. I am a Good Molecules affiliate. I did purchase this one myself, but if you want to save a little bit of money, I believe it's like 10%. The link is down below in the information box. But yeah, pleasantly surprised with this. I shouldn't be surprised. I do enjoy everything that I've tried from Good Molecules, but this is such a good dupe. I really like it because the one from The Ordinary I found a little bit sticky. This is nice. This I like. This is such a random candle favorite, but I was in the pet section at Walmart and then I saw this guy and I was just like, like a candle for pets? The brand's called Pet's Favorite, and the scent is Clean Laundry. It smells like laundry. It smells like clean clean fresh laundry. It smells amazing, and when you burn it, it does, you know, fill the room up with that clean laundry scent. Is just, if you like the smell of clean laundry, you're going to love this, and it's super affordable. It was less than, I believe, like less than 15 for sure. I feel like it was less than 10, and it's made in the USA. It is a soy candle. It is pet approved, so if you like chilling in your bedroom or any type of room with your pet, this won't be toxic to them. But yeah, the scent alone is just, it's so nice. I am a sucker for clean scents, and this doesn't get cleaner than that. I love it. And I would have never found this if it wasn't for my mom and I now living in the pet section at any store, because we went from having 1 dog to 4 dogs. So yes, thank you, puppies. It smells amazing. I love it so much. And the size is quite big, so this is gonna last me a while. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I've been getting into manga, collecting manga, reading manga, and it's just been a really nice way to relax and unwind before I go to bed. So 2 of the series that I've been getting into, so I did show this in my haul. This is Komi Can Communicate, and I finished volume 1 last night. I went to Barnes & Noble and purchased volume 2. These 2 series are very lighthearted, very easy reads, and I find the characters very charming. So with this, I did mention in my last video that it is about a girl with social anxiety, and her goal is to make 100 friends. So you can imagine all the awkwardness that is going to be unfolding with each volume. So I really liked this this manga. I thought it was very adorable. So this was one of my favorite mangas of the month that I checked out, and I am tracking all the mangas that I'm reading in my bullet journal so I don't lose track of what I've been reading. I also read Fly Me to the Moon volume 1, and then I had to go to Barnes & Noble and pick up volume 2. So this is also very charming. I don't want to spoil this one too much, but it is about a boy. His name is NASA, like NASA, space travel, and he meets this girl on the cover. Her name is Tsukasa, and he just falls in love with her at first sight, and she disappears for a little bit, comes back, but they make a promise to get married to one another. If he wants to go out with her, they need to get married. So I mean, they end up getting married. I'm not gonna, it's not a spoiler. You see it on the cover, okay? So they get married, and it's just filled with so much awkwardness and, you know, his first time holding a girl's hand. But I mean, he's doing all of this because they got married all of a sudden. So it's just so awkward, so cute, it's funny, and it's such a such a fun read. And talking about manga, one of the channels that I recently discovered that made it so accessible and just welcoming into this community is Shay Geeks Out. I can't even say it, but she does a lot of manga and book recommendations. That's her channel's like premise, but her manga videos specifically were super helpful. I did place a big manga order on Right Stuff Anime, so I was watching her recommendations and just kind of like taking notes, putting different mangas in my wish list. I did buy one of her recommendations last night at Barnes & Noble, so I just find her super charming. I love her recommendations, and just her personality is so calming and welcoming and friendly, warm. Can't say enough great things about her. So if you want to get into manga, you like reading, I will highly recommend her channel. I think you guys will enjoy her. I will leave her channel link down below. But yeah, she's been the YouTube channel that I've been watching the most in January, and I'm so glad that I stumbled upon her channel because I feel like she's such a nice, lovely girl. And the very last thing that I want to talk about is music related. So Japanese city pop has been having a huge moment on TikTok, and I've been listening to it for a few months now, and it's just been pretty much the thing that I have the most on rotation. So not only do I have like 80s Japanese like singers in this playlist that I have on Spotify, but I also have more modern DJs that, you know, take that Japanese city pop and mix it in with like house music, and the combination is just amazing. Like all of these songs I could hear in a like club in Paris. So so yeah, it is, you know, Japanese city pop with French house, and it just makes this beautiful mashup of dance music. So I have artists like Desired on my playlist. I have Kotu, I have Macros 8299 as well, Young Bae, and yeah, this is I feel like it's a solid playlist. It's been what I've been listening to the most in the last few months. So if you like that kind of dance music with that Japanese, you know, influence into it, I think you will enjoy this playlist that I have on Spotify, and just the whole city pop sound. It just makes me want to rollerblade, and not rollerblade, roller skate. And I have my roller skates, but I still suck at them. So I need to hop on my roller skates and continue on with my stumbling before I get better. So yeah, it just makes me want to like cruise around, and it's just really, it's nice music, it's uplifting music, and this is exactly what I need in 2021. Alright guys, that's it for my favorites. I just wanted to keep it short and simple and to the point, and I think I did that. So I feel great about that. Let me know what you guys loved in the month of January in the comments below. If you're into manga, let me know what mangas you've been reading, what you recommend. Like I said, I have a full wish list on Right Stuff Anime, so I'm taking notes of everything. I'm slowly but surely discovering different series, and yes, it's been fun. And I mean, what else is there to do while we're still at home? So yeah, might as well read. So I've been reading a lot. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. If you're brand new, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!